Namaste everyone. Spirit guided me to upload the light language channeling received with regard to supporting the healing process of a COVID patient who has been tested positive in COVID. And I just recorded the light language channeling casually in my mobile and emailed the transmission to the concerned person, and it seems that she has been benefited with it. And then Spirit, over a period of a week's time, guided me to upload the same in my YouTube channel. I'm really concerned whether it will be accepted or whether it will be blocked, or I don't know anything. But one thing I am very much clear, and I have been guided by my spirit guides, is that when one is in his or her sovereignty, nothing can harm them. Example, even if it is COVID positive, or even if you got vaccinated and you feel that you have been microchipped, so many things are going on in the world. One set of people say something, the other people say the different thing, and both claim that to be true. Nobody is the authority of the truth, but the truth is the authority. And there cannot be any absolute truth. It is in terms of relativity. So, really it will be confusing to cope up with the things that are going on around with us, such as one set of people believing in that COVID is really a scam and it has been used as a control mechanism, and at the same time some other people are suffering with the infection, losing their loved ones because of either COVID or the fear of COVID, whatever may be. The things are going so in the environment. So there are some set of people who are not able to go this way or that way because both seem to be true. So this light language channeling is just to help us to get into our sovereignty, into our I am presence, so that whether the COVID is a scam or a hoax, or whether vaccination is used as a control mechanism, whatever may be, nothing is going to control us. Whether you are infected with the COVID or when you are microchipped with the vaccines, whatever may be, definitely we are not going to be harmed by anything. So we lose our power only when we give in our power to the external reality. Vaccination or non-vaccination or getting contracted with COVID doesn't make you less spiritual. This universe is whole. Even COVID is a part of it. A cabal is a part of it. They are going to merge with the source sooner or later, maybe millions of years after. But they are a part of the source. Nothing can escape from the source because everything is source itself. So what if I get COVID? Or what if I get vaccinated and get microchipped? We are not aware of the truth, but whatever may be, ultimately we are source. Once we realize that we are source and we get into our sovereignty, we are in ultimate alignment and nothing can harm us. So this light language channeling is just for primarily helping people to get into their sovereignty and to clean or clear of any thoughts, beliefs of the negative agenda or positive agenda, or anything, any sort of beliefs that are not in congruence with our higher self. And it cleanses off our aura of any viruses and helps to boost our immune system. Please listen to this transmission. This will help us to cope with the difficult times. The difficult time is really that we are not able to identify with the truth. We are not sure about what the truth is. So I think this light language channeling, guided by my spirit guides and my oversoul, Sekhmat, will be helpful for everyone to navigate these toughest times. Thank you for your patience. Listen to this transmission and please share your experiences. Thank you. Namaste everyone. This light language transmission is for boosting the immune system and to cleanse the body of viruses or any infections, and to clear off the energy field contaminated with fear and returning to one's sovereignty. Nothing holds power onto us unless we give in our own power. Get into your sovereignty. Nothing can harm you. In fact, anything that has come into your system is doing a great work for you, just reminding of you of your power and sovereignty. This light language transmission is channeled from Goddess Sekhmet, Kali or Durga. Imagine violet flames of light dropping from above your head and cleansing your entire body as well as your aura. Be in that space till you feel like so. Once you feel comfortable with the cleansing that has happened, listen to this transmission. Yesu Amisha, Yesu Amisha, Yesu Amisha, E Ayuma Shayi, Yesu Amisha Yuma, Yesu Amusha Yima, Yesu Ayima, Shayima, O Yesu Ayima, Yesu Shayima, O Yema, Yesu Ayima Rashia, Hayum Yema Tushi Ayuma, Emayu Aku Ayuma Shaya. Ye mayuka yumaya shaya, o aye mayukaya mashaya, ye mayushaya, he mayushaya, ye mayushaya, ye mayushaya, ha ye mayushaya maya hayasha, hayumayara shayana, e amutirasho, ahayumayitana. Kiarushayi ahitam, o ye ahumyati ahumya, o ki amyu adyurayi sham yuki. Kikiaki akiwai shim aki ore amulare e amyuki tim akyu ayushi 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 amkyu taisha ahu makuyi at yinamashu akyu nana eku yitishimati oi akum a olarasha e matu ayuka hamyurashata hamyurasha. You can circulate this light language channeling to any of your friends who are interested or who believe in light language. And now this transmission is for transmuting fear into love and returning to one's sovereignty, getting into the ultimate sense of self, the I am presence, rising above the lower vibrations of whatever that pulls you down. Hiaku tarumi hiaku atu arumi hiaku aturami ha oiraku ayutarumi hayutarumi akhi ayutarumi hayutarumi ahi ayutarumi tarumi hayiti hariti hayum akuriti hi arui harui ayum harui ahi arui ahi tihayuri shani ahi maturi timoki awatirami hoi amyu aturi ayumahuti hohayeti hoyumaki antur e makhu kintarui amyutirai ahumti ayuri hamtu yari e ayumki ahintanu yari Timaruhi ti ayum ahita, timayuri taniha, ha ayumti, ayum hawanti aku, ti ayumi, oyamiti, ti yamihu ayintani, hiaku amyuti, ti amyuhi, tuki ayum hi aku yintani, Timayu karo shintai. Ahantia. Iha unti ahantia shi ankyunani yiturai a hati nahishi. Timakuri a umaku aturiyashi aku atu amulara ki shamyati. Thank you.